welcome to the Power Hour and social media shows. Well, this is Maria, your favorite beautiful Maria. But anyway, what's up, people? Are you guys doing some trading? Are you guys watching this trade right now? Been sitting down here all day long, and so far, this motherfucker is not giving me the move that I want to. So I just want to show you the last hour of the power hour or the trading, the market. So if anybody wanted to join me on this power hour or wanna join me, follow my previous power hours and click on my trading link. So right now we are looking on UVXY. UVXY is actually trending up. And if you see on the left right here, I'm going to go and click on that. It's the SPY and the IWM. So those are the two that goes against the trend of UVXY. So if UVXY goes up, SPY or IWM goes down. That's how it works. So if you want to know more about UVXY, go ahead and research. There's Google search out there, okay? I don't need to explain that because I don't even know. So right now, as you can see, all these indicators right here, we have the purple, which is my 9-day moving average. I have the orange right here. It's the 15 moving average. I have the 200 right here. And where is my 50? Is it this orange right here? It probably is. No, it is. Yes. Okay. So right now, as we can see, on this trend, it seems like 1374. It's been actually back and forth on 1374 this to today, or this 13. Oh no, actually not, Russell. The high of the day is 1383 or 1390. For UVXY. It has like 1390. Yeah. And 1372 is trying to go actually run. But right now I can see that this is technically, I hope they can hear me, Let me double check. I don't even know if they can hear me. Yeah, 1390 is the high of the day. Hello, that's Mike. Wait. Yes, they can hear me. Perfect. That's what I want. Anyways, go back to this chart right here. As you can see, the motherfucking UVXY, I bought a call earlier and it went against me. I bought a put earlier. It still went against me. So I probably lost around, what, $20 or $14? I forgot how much. So it's just because there's not too much actually action on UVXY at the moment. If you see this below the chart right here, below these charts, oh, I don't know if you guys can see when I do this. Oh yeah, oh, okay. When I run, oh, I like this. When I run my mouse, you can see it. So, anyways, below the all the chart here, there is a blue and orange line right here. This is the MACD. So the MACD, what is MACD anyway? Anyways, this is the price momentum, and the orange, the price momentum is the blue, and the orange is the trading momentum. Is that correct? It's like the volatility, how fast is the price goes, right?
Right.
Oh yeah, I got that right. Yes.
No, one is momentum and the other is price.
Oh, the one. Okay. Oh, so this
Right.
is the momentum. The momentum
How
is it
fast
shows.
they're buying shit and how fast the price is moving.
Okay, God, there you go. I know that. I'm just testing you. So right now, the good thing about this UVXY right now is above the 200. So if I am trading this, I would wait because I wouldn't like to buy a put right now because it is still above the 200. And you see the 9 is, oh my God, they are actually, the 9 just crossed the 15 downwards. So that means it's probably heading downwards. So if I have a call on this one, I'm screwed, okay? If I have a put on this one, I'm probably making 50 cents right at this moment. 50 cents. Unless this one doesn't go down a little bit lower, then I'm screwed, okay? I might get 50 cents, and if I close that 50 cents, I might get zero or negative dollar and 33 cents. That's what it is. See, I remember all the pricing. But right now, I just want to show you this, my hobby every morning. So for those people trying to disturb me in the morning, fuck you all. Oh, no, I didn't mean that. So right now, it's actually start trending on, started the candle below the 200. So if I'm looking on this chart and starting on this, and then you see the momentum, the orange one, it seems that's still fast to go down. So I would FOMO on this one because if you look on the RSI, it is still at 43. So there is a lot more. That's a lot more room to go downwards. But you know what? This is what I've learned on stock market. Don't always trust all these indicators because it can screw you up. The something good I learned about though is, you know we are not psychic here about all these candles. So when you know that your your guess is bad, and if you have a lot of money, close it out and then go the other way. And sometimes that doesn't work either. So I think that starting Monday, I should actually stream the whole thing so you can see what happening, because I cannot even explain what happened this morning. But I'm gonna go in there anyway. Okay, so the on the open, the my goal every day is to,
Now
yeah,
look at IWM.
IWM. Let's go to IWM right here.
Now they're starting to look alive.
Oh, really? Now is you see, here's the thing is, I've been bored watching this motherfucking chart since this morning. I got so bored, and I got a lot of things done actually while I'm doing stock market. I finished some few meetings over the phone. I had some videos up. That's a good thing when you're bored. So Well, there are some activities going on. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking on the IWM and SPY, they become a little bit alive. So the bulls, I've been waiting for these bulls to start actually doing some move because we have a really positive. Well, it depends how you look at it, but a positive reports came out. What's a report came out?
Non-farm payrolls.
Non-farm. So it's kind of positive. So I was hoping that this UVXY will just go and eat shit since this morning. And I was like,
Oh, it ate shit, all right. Right into nothing.
right in. So that's what I was hoping. I was hoping that the big bulls supposedly actually putting their money because of the good report that came out today, and obviously they waited like they know that I'm watching them. That's why they are kind of like, oh, Maria is watching. Let's not do anything yet. You
Look,
know, only one audience.
the
It's not.
valley
That's a rally now. Oh my God, look at
spot
that.
by starting to run.
Yep, I see that coming. This is what I've been waiting since this morning. Is this rally? I know it's gonna come, but I don't know when. But I was just hoping that they came earlier when I have my put at UVXY. I did went flip flop so many times on UVXY, probably 3 or 4 times, 4 times actually, or 5 times, because I was like, oh, they're going down. And the funny thing about this market is if you hold your put this long from early this morning up to now, and it actually goes sideways like the way it did today, you lose all your premium by the end of the day. So it's kind of useless for you to wait the move when you bought it earlier when the market opened.
We
So
run out of time.
yeah, because there are different things on that when you buy a premium. And this is something that a lot of people doesn't understand who are trading out there and never traded option. Yes, option is a really high risk to trade. Not everybody wanna touch it. I just have the guts to do it. It's just because I am good in numbers. Well, not that's not probably the reason. I'm just that I felt like I'm tough. Okay, I am for 11 and 92 pounds, but I feel like I'm bigger than anybody. So,
That's true.
so that's why I do this. And a lot of people doesn't wanna touch options because higher risk. It's not like you buy a stock, and no matter what you can keep there forever, and it goes down, goes up. You don't lose money. The value just go down and it goes up. So the value just keep on flip flopping. But with option, doesn't work that way. Remember, these people, especially traders or stockholders out there, because this is totally different. Go and do your research, do your due diligence before you speak to me. And I don't want to be keep on repeating my fucking self that we are not doing the same thing. I'm tired of it explaining. I think I explained to somebody 100 million times. And this morning I just said, okay. But anyways, so yeah, that's the difference of this, what I'm doing and the holding a stock. This one is you certain point, let's say you buy a option and you want it expire, or you buy the premium of that option and it expires certain date, you gotta have to make money on that certain date. Otherwise, you lose all your money, no matter what. It doesn't actually flip, it doesn't fluctuate the value. It's actually you losing, no matter what, you're losing your premium. So that's the risk. It's higher risk. There's no waiting. If you wait, if you buy a stock, if you buy an option, no matter what, you're losing value on that. You're losing the money slowly during the time that you have the stock. Am I explaining that correctly?
Uh,
You're not listening. It's fine. All right, let's
no,
continue.
no, I was listening, but I mean, like, yes and no. Like, yeah, you gotta. If you're gonna explain that, then you have to explain theta.
Yeah, well, that's yeah. I'm not into that. So
You don't really need to explain unless they really want to trade options. They don't need to know the Greeks, you know. So
okay, the Greeks is the Greek grill. Go and find them. Um, all right, so we have 18 minutes left on trading this option. So if I'm holding put right now, I should be making at least I am actually. Oh my God, this is the way you did your paper trading.
you can pay for trade options now.
You can.
Yep.
Oh. So, anyways, by the ways, highways. It's really fun. I would do this. Okay, I'd rather do this than doing those gambler out there. Oh well, oh
What
well,
gambler?
they are not even. It's not even actually comparable, honestly. But anyways, you gotta have to have. Oh my God, why don't you just freaking eat shit?
UVXY?
Yeah. What is a spy doing?
Nothing. It's
Oh,
yo-yoing,
yeah, it's yo-yoing.
grinding down.
Okay, no, yeah. See, this is it just came back again to what it's doing the whole day.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay, yeah. So if you are trading in this market, stay the fuck away.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not a great day for day trading. There's some. I mean, not the indexes anyway, but
So here's the one that I trade. IWM, UVXY, Walmart. I meant SPY. I have this SPY. This SPY is very expensive. The options are really expensive, so I don't trade it. But the reason why I have SPY here up here is because this this is my kind of guide. If I'm trading UVXY and UVXY goes up, when SPY goes down, I know that my call is it's going to be printing, right? That's the reason why I do this, I do the opposite way. Oh, UVXY supposedly your guide to trade and SPY, but I am doing the other way. I use SPY to trade UVXY. Did I tell you that, Russell?
no.
Yeah, but that's what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah, no, that's. Oh, no, yeah, you can do that. You can look at SPY to see whether or not UVXY is matching up.
Yeah. So that's what I do, people. Well, we have I'm really hungry. We have 14 minutes of trading. So I just want to show you guys this because since I've been watching it and I'm bored while I am having my other work getting done as we speak, or not even. it's freaking hour, another hour to go before it's totally loaded. Um, I'm just gonna actually stream this because it's content.
I'm gonna buy a put for Monday
For UBXY.
for IWM.
Oh yeah. How is IWM? Let's see how's IWM is doing. 186. 52. What? Oh yeah, I remember that. 52-week high of IWM was 244. Is that how about this year? Let me see. Quarter? No, we have two quarters already passed by. So I'll just go monthly. Okay, so on monthly on IWM, so this is 2021. What's this is January. It's actually red, red, green. Oh my God. Look at that. This is kind of like indicating. Let me see UVXY. Huh. Oh wow. Oh wow. It seems like recession is coming, people.
I'm gonna watch for the close. Then if we close up, I'm gonna look for a rally into the close, and then I'm gonna buy one of these for
Put.
Monday. I'm gonna buy one of these 184 puts for Monday. Oh, I should have bought it right there.
You're buying puts.
Thinking so.
But you see the RSI is at 42.
Yeah, but this is for Monday. If you look on the daily chart,
Uh-huh.
well, you're still oversold. But you just came off of the upper Bollinger Band on the daily.
Oh my God, look at that. You know, I don't.
Oh, look at that. Look at that crazy little, like, rally right there.
For
IWM.
huh.
There's team defense playing again. So wait, maybe an inside base bullish?
There you go. This one should eat shit now. It's 9 minutes left before the closing, and I want to see this UVXY goes down.
Splat.
Yeah, it's not. Look at the selling on the last candle. That's what I should have done. You know, I'm really, really lucky in the past few days. What I do is When I see UVXY goes all the way down, I buy it and I create $1 or or less than $1 because I buy the stock
I went short on IWM.
now
Mm-hmm.
for next week.
For Monday.
You should have waited. So normally when we see, oh no, it's not that.
So I saw a back test of the
You should
saw
have.
a back test of the triangle pattern,
Oh, from
and
hmm.
so I caught a back test of that.
Let me do the triangle test that you're talking about. I'm gonna
Well,
drive a trend line, right?
yeah. Look at that though. I might have been wrong. I was looking for back test and go.
I forgot how you do the triangle.
Oh, you just draw the trend lines.
I know how to do
For
that.
some reason, it's rallying into the close. I'm assuming
Something like that. Something like this.
it's either short covering or there's somebody who thinks that this is going to be an inside day and that the inside day is going to be bullish.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh no, well at the IWM, yeah. Something like this. This is what he's talking about. The triangle line. And explain to me about this because I didn't pay attention on when I was in that class.
It's basically a moment of indecision in the market where the market doesn't know whether it wants to continue to trend up or trend down. And you'll have some people who are bullish and you'll have some people who are bearish. And typically what you'll catch is a pattern of lower highs and lower highs and higher lows at the same time. So it creates a triangle. If you trace the tops and the bottoms, it'll create like a triangle pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Usually when you break to one side, eventually you will come out of the triangle and you will break to one side. And that's typically the direction it's going to go.
I don't know if I'm doing the right triangle. Can you go on my stream?
Not at the moment.
Oh my
Can't.
God, it's breaking the triangle below now.
It's,
Ah, it just broke.
yeah. I didn't wonder if it wouldn't do this, if it wouldn't, I wondered if it wouldn't do this where it,
Holy cow, you must be printing.
no, I'm short.
UVXY or IWM?
IWM.
Oh, never mind then.
So I'm assuming IWM must be breaking down pretty hard.
No. I'm sorry to break the news. Oh, you're doing the other way, the other triangle. No, yeah, no, I'm doing the right triangle.
There we go.
Yep. You see there, you see it's, I have green on UVXY, and if you look on IWM, it's red. So it's going on the opposite. So if you're looking at this and you're trading on the other side, you know what's going on. So I'm kind of getting really used to on this. Not used to, but what I meant is I'm kind of like getting the point. look at the, oh, this is my 50 moving average. This
And
is,
now they're forcing it up for some reason. I don't know what it is. Whether it's just shorts trying to cover or what. But that's basically not what should be happening right now. If an inside day was bearish, they wouldn't be rallying right in the last few minutes with
yep.
3 minutes left.
Mm-hmm.
They would be killing him into the close.
Mm-hmm. 53 minutes left. So that means I am,
But
okay.
essentially, I did think that they would make it look like they were gonna trap shorts the whole time,
Yep.
and like they were trying to trap shorts. They were gonna trap shorts, or no, like they were gonna try and make it look like it was gonna go down, so that at the end of the day they could trap people short. Um, I
I'm,
thought that that was highly possible.
yeah, we're done. This is technically, there's no, whatever you're holding at this moment and you're not green, go and do your next thing to do for the day. Move on to your next planning. Plan B. Yep, and that's actually conclude. Not yet. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Since I actually doing stock market, every seconds actually counts.
Yeah, the time matters. Well, what they do over that time is what really matters.
Yeah. You're like,
No,
oh, 1.5 minute. Yeah, that's a long time.
I mean, right now they should be getting ready for a massive pullback, but
It didn't
but
happen. That's what I was hoping. Yeah, they're
should
just
get a
running the
nice
time.
nice little sell off here. But
50
they may
seconds.
want to try and end the week on something of a high note. You know,
Really? You did that in purpose, motherfucker. I don't know what I'm gonna do next time. Ah! Of course, they already ate my premium, right?
yeah, why not? I mean,
And that's okay. Well, 15 seconds is a long time. 13:45. Look at that. I thought it's gonna go 13:31 at least. 13:45. That's 13:43 earlier. Yep, it didn't.
it looks like they're trying. I don't know whether they're doing it to. I don't think they're going to get it on that one.
It's done.
There we
It's
go.
over.
You know,
Alrighty. Well, thank you so much for all of those who tune in on today's Power Hour. And I'm probably gonna do this. I am more comfortable of doing this now than before. The only thing that I'm not comfortable is I am in my PJs, so I am not gonna be on the camera. It's just gonna be my chart that you're gonna be seeing. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry for the disappointment, but I'll talk to you guys soon.
I'm just kind of interested to see how this plays out.